Here is how to replace the ear cushions on Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. A safety note. Active noise cancellation is not hearing protection unless the device carries a noise reduction rating. In hazardous noise, use properly rated protection and follow workplace requirements.
Okay, this off-business topic video is how to replace the earpieces on this NC700 Bluetooth wireless headphones. These have been extremely tried and true. They have been exceptionally functional. I've been using these for probably about 2 years, and they're an older model, and they're not easy to actually find on a secondary market. But I'm going to turn them off actually. The foam pads have fatigued to a point where they're no longer really comfortable because they're crushed in on one side, and I also have to have them sit on my head with glasses on, and the arms of the glasses actually are fairly comfortable underneath these, but I'm mindful to use glasses that are either safety glasses in the shop, which are worse, or if I'm doing something in the shop but I'm monitoring what's occurring, automated processes on the CNC in the shop, and I'm not on the workpiece, I'm not concerned about not having larger glasses. The point of that is they're still comfortable even over arms that are not tiny. I have other glasses that I use that are even thinner, and I prefer those because they're really hard to tell that you have glasses on your head. Because if you wear these headphones long enough during the day, you will start to feel it here. But these are pretty nice. I also have many other headphones that are less comfortable than these.
Power off the headphones. Replacement kits may include 2 cushions, left and right scrims, and a small removal tool. Match the scrims to the marked ear cups.
So I did order on eBay some replacement ear pads. They don't appear to be original. So what I'm imagining we're going to do is just get our fingers underneath here, and these are probably going to pop out. So let's give it a try. My headphones are turned off. Yeah, there's something there. Oh yeah, there it is. Let's just work our way around the circumference.
This demonstration retains the intact original scrims. If your kit includes replacements, Bose says to match left and right and avoid pressing the center of the scrim.
Oh yeah, well maybe. You can tell they're an odd color compared to what I had, and I'm okay with that. Oh, okay. They do snap in, apparently. Yeah, okay. You just have to push a little bit harder than you might think. They're snapped in pretty well. Oh. Let's put in the other one. These pair very nicely to the phone, to the computer. They're comfortable. I've worn them for several hours, an entire workday, days in a row without discomfort. It's really only the glasses that get in the way. Okay. Yeah, those look like they're new. There is a tool here, and I would imagine that that tool is a good replacement if you don't have any sort of fingernail that you can use to get in there. That's what that would be for. We didn't have any such problem with that.
Confirm all 10 tabs are snapped into each ear cup, then press around the full perimeter for 30 seconds. A complete seal matters for comfort and noise cancellation. The cushions are replaced, the fit is restored, and the headphones are ready to use.